Hi everyone! Welcome back to my Chanel. Today we're making this super cute kitty cat coaster, a perfect project for cat lovers and crochet enthusiasts. It's great for beginners and works up quickly, making it an ideal gift or home decor item. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun crochet projects. Now, let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring. This creates a neat and adjustable center. Now chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet. Then make 11 double crochets into the ring. Once you have 12 stitches in total, pull the ring tight and slip stitch into the top of the first DC to close the round. Great job! Keep your tension even for a nice, flat circle. Now, let's increase our circle. Chain 3, this counts as the first double crochet. In the same stitch, make 1 more double crochet. This is our first increase. Continue by making 2 double crochets in each stitch around. This will double the number of stitches, giving us 24 DC in total. Slip stitch to join. Your coaster should start taking shape. Nice work. For this round, we'll gradually increase. Chain 3, then double crochet in the next stitch. Now, in the following stitch, make 2 double crochets. This is an increase. Keep repeating 1 DC, then an increase all the way around. You should have 36 stitches at the end. Slip stitch to join. Your circle should be expanding smoothly. Time for another round of increases. Chain 3, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then make an increase in the next stitch. Repeat DC, DC, DC ink around. This will bring us to 48 stitches. Slip stitch to join. If your work is curling, gently stretch it to flatten. You're doing amazing. Now let's add some structure and cute little ears. Start with 1 single crochet, then skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochets, 1 treble crochet, chain 1, 1 treble crochet, and 3 double crochets. This forms 1 ear. Skip 2 stitches, then repeat the ear pattern for the second ear. Skip 2 stitches, then continue making single crochets around. Slip stitch to join. And that's it. Our kitty cat coaster is complete. How adorable is that? Fantastic work! If you followed along, you now have a cute and functional cat-shaped coaster. Feel free to experiment with different colors or add embroidery for extra personality. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future projects. I'd love to see your creations. Share them in the comments or tag me on social media. Happy crocheting, and see you in the next video.